Hi Steve.
Hi Glenn.
Good performance. Some of the football first half was decent. It was just final ball seemed to not fall in the right place.
Yeah. We changed shape to begin with, and we just didn't really have a flow. We weren't we didn't have a rhythm. We just stuttered and started. But like I say, we weren't terrible, but we didn't have that flow, that rhythm to our game, which we had second half.
It was a great goal from Sam to get things going, show real desire to sort of get on the ball, and it was a good cross from Joe as well.
Yeah, we had a few chances first half. Probably should have been 3-1 at half time. We had 3 really good chances, and then they've had one breakaway, and Jack's made a great save to keep it 0-0. And then second half we tweaked it a little bit. We just said at half time, we need a little bit more energy, a little bit more control of the game, and which we got, and we really dominated the second half, and we had a great passage of play, a little bit down the right hand side between Kai and Joe, and then Joe's delivered a great ball, and Hart's come in at the back stick, and there was only ever going to be 1 minute, and he's put it in the back of the net, and it was a great goal, to be fair. It was well worked, and like you say, he showed a lot of desire to get there, and there's only ever going to be 1 minute there.
Yep. I know you don't like talking about the numbers, but 20 victories in a row. Congratulations on that. Another one chalked off, and we've got Keffin at home on Saturday.
Yeah, it's we don't get too carried away with the record, but we just keep playing one game at a time. We'll enjoy tonight, like I always say. Then we're back in Thursday, ready to prepare, ready for Saturday against Druids, which is going to be another tough ask.
Yeah.
I said to the lads at the start of the week, we've got a big week coming up. We've got 3 big games. We've got 2 ticked off. They're done now. Now it's ready to go Saturday against Druids. We'll be ready as well. We'll prepare right on Thursday, and we'll be ready to go again on Saturday, and hopefully put in another good performance.
Okay, congratulations on the 3 points, and see you Saturday.
Deal.
Thank you.